Engineering for us is about changing people's lives. It's about building infrastructure that actually improves what we do. We're very proud of a number of projects, and we're proud of projects not only because of their size, but but the satisfaction it gives us. Ash is an engineering consultancy. We were four friends who started out at university together. It's time that we actually started our own engineering practice. We were all working for other sort of corporations at the time. We've got an office in Johannesburg, we've got an office in Cape Town, an office in East London. So we have projects that effectively we do throughout the country. We do civil projects, civil infrastructure projects. We do transportation and roads projects, and we do structural projects related to buildings and infrastructure like bridges and culverts and things of that nature. We've done, for example, quite a few of the developments at the waterfront. The One and Only Hotel was one of our projects. The V&A Marina, which is a housing estate that was done at the waterfront, is also a project that we undertook out of this office. The Grand West Casino was a fast-track project which we did way back in 2000. All came out of this office. What we do is no different to what other contractors and consultants do. We build roads the same way as everybody else do. We design pipe work in the same way as everybody else does. There's nothing special about what we do. It's how we deliver it and what we leave behind. We got involved in Kutlunong in Kimberley with Peer Africa. It started out as trying to do something different to what normal housing developments were at that stage, sort of RDP housing was. The more we started developing the ideas of what iEco was going to be. So that's where we really started with sustainability. We've done a number of projects since then using those sustainability principles. For example, we're doing a building for Old Mutual, which will probably be the tallest building in Cape Town when it's completed. And it will be one of the Green Star buildings, as they call it nowadays. An icon in terms of sustainability. Our role in the iEco process initially was just to make sure that we're part of the team, to make sure that what we did as engineers didn't conflict with what we were trying to achieve at the end of the day.
The orientation of the town plan was, especially for our eco principles, positioned to face north. So every property on the site, every earth as we call it, faces due north.
To see the community develop from being a fairly passive group of people only looking to have a house and shelter, to understanding how their house actually operates, and how passive heating and cooling actually works, and what how that improves their lives. I mean, those projects are also very important to us. So you don't have to do anything special. Your thought processes are there already. It's ingrained in you. This is the way it needs to be done from a point of view of making sure that it's sustainable, making sure that at the end of the day that people's lives are improved by the time that you leave.
I think what we've tried to do on the project is to make everyone aware, even the community, the contractor that's working here, that the iEco principles are not only to do with facing north, but it's to do with sustainability, reuse of material. Any tree that they chop down, can we use it for firewood? Can they use it for fencing?
Our projects, they are infrastructure projects. People don't know, we take them for granted. Most of the projects we do, you drive past it, or you drive on a road, or you drive on a bridge, and you don't even know. It's subtle in the way that we do it. Those are the kind of legacies that we leave behind without people, say, I don't say, I did that bridge or I did that road, because it's just a road, but it improves the way people, their lives in general, and that's really what engineering is for us.